Hello, I'm Mrs. Mack, a third grade teacher at Lafayette Upper Elementary School. Go Lions! Today we are going to read a nonfiction text called Animal Needs. I'm going to highlight the text in yellow as I read, just so if you are following along, you do not lose the place. Okay? I'm going to start with the heading. All animals need air. Animals have different ways to get air. Many animals breathe air through their mouths or noses. The air goes into their lungs. Fish breathe air through their gills. Many bugs have small holes on their bodies called spiracles that help them breathe air. Now, I'm going to think about what I read. One thing that I thought was very important that I read is many animals breathe air through their noses and mouths. I thought that was important. I also felt that fish breathe air through their gills was important. And I also feel that bugs have small holes on their bodies called spiracles that help them breathe air was also important. So there are three ways that animals breathe air. Most animals breathe air through their noses and mouths. Fishes breathe through their gills. And insects and bugs have small holes called spiracles that help them breathe air. Now I'm going to highlight in yellow as I read. This header is called All Animals Need Water. So on this page, all the text is going to have to do with animals and water. All animals need water. Animals have water in their bodies. Their bodies use water to keep cool or warm. Water does many other things too, but animal bodies lose water every time they sweat or go to the bathroom. So animals have to get more water or they will dry out. Many animals drink the water they need. Some animals get water in other ways. For example, some animals eat plants that have water inside them. Bees drink nectar from flowers. Nectar has water in it, so bees don't have to drink water. All right, now I'm going to think about what was important. I felt that it was important, since this is about water, that they use water to keep cool or warm. I also felt that it was important that if they don't have water, they will dry out. I also felt that it was important that some animals drink water while others get it from the plants that they eat. And then also, bees drink nectar from flowers which have water in it. Okay, our next header is all animals have need energy. So all of this is going to do with the energy that animals need to survive. I'm going to highlight as I read in yellow. All animals need energy. Animals need energy to move and grow. They get the energy they need by eating food. All animals need air and water, but they can only get energy from food. Some animals get energy by eating plants. Some animals eat other animals. All right, so what was important in this? I need to know that they need energy to move and grow. I also need to know that they get it by eating food. I also need to know that some of them eat plants and some of them eat other animals. Okay, on this one, we're going to talk about all animals need shelter. So that is my header. Everything under it has to do with animals and shelter. All animals need shelter. They need shelter to stay out of bad weather and to hide from predators. Many animals make homes to shelter in. Birds and lizard build nests. Other animals dig holes in the ground or burrows for their homes. Bees and wasps build hives. Spiders spin webs for their homes. Some animals find shelter where they live. Butterflies hide under leaves to stay out of the rain. Other animals, like snails and turtles, have hard shells that give them shelter. Okay, what was important when I was talking about shelter? Okay, they gave some very good examples. For example, birds and lizards build nests. Other animals dig holes called burrows. Bees and wasps build hives. Spiders spin webs. Okay, butterflies hide under leaves. Other animals, like snails and turtles, have hard shells that give them shelter. These are all ways that animals have shelter. Okay, the last page. Animals live all over the world, but can but they can only live in places that have the things they need. Animals get the things they need from their surroundings. They can't live in places where they can't find air, food, water, food, or shelter. I hope this has made you think in depth about your nonfiction text. Please use this text to answer the questions. The questions are not for a grade, it is just for practice. If you have any questions, let your teacher know. Bye.